In this video, we are going to see that if you are trying to upload the audio to Roblox mobile and it doesn't show the upload option, or it shows the upload option but it always takes you to the photos or pictures, here's how you can easily solve this problem. Now let's say we are using the Roblox application. We'll exit out of it and we open up our favorite browser. In this case, I'm using Google Chrome. We head over to the roblox.com, sign in with your ID, and we will use the browser version of it. We head over to the create option, and on the top left hand corner there is this 3 lines. Click on that, head over to the creations, and we see the similar options here as well. We head over to development items, click on audio, and now let's click on upload asset. Make sure the type is selected correctly to audio, and the name we will keep or give any name here. Click on upload, and basically we click on photos and videos, or otherwise you can click on other options as well, but in this case I'll choose photos and videos. And from here basically we can choose any of the audio files. As you can see that when I go to downloads from here, I can upload the audio that I have downloaded. So here it is. It's an MP3 file, as you can see right here. This is an MP3 file. We'll upload this, and after that you can see all of these files are properly loaded. We can view it whenever we want. For example, we named it as tested. I just renamed it. We open it up, and as you can see, it's properly saved right here. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.